Hey there, diabetics and diabetes supporters. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. 10 drinks that you should avoid if you have diabetes. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to support our channel. Let's get started. So, you may be wondering, what's the big deal about drinks? Well, managing your blood sugar levels is crucial when you have diabetes, and beverages can have a significant impact on those levels. Let's take a look at 10 drinks you should stay away from. Sugary soft drinks. The classic culprit. Soft drinks are loaded with sugar, which can quickly send your blood sugar levels soaring. Opt for a sugar-free alternative, or even better, choose water or unsweetened tea. Fruit juices. While fruit juices might seem healthy, they contain concentrated amounts of natural sugars. These can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. It's best to consume whole fruits instead, as they contain fiber that helps regulate blood sugar. Energy drinks. Energy drinks may give you a quick boost, but they often contain high amounts of sugar and caffeine. These can lead to blood sugar spikes and disrupt your sleep patterns. Opt for natural alternatives like herbal teas or infused water for hydration and energy. Sweetened coffee drinks. Who doesn't love a sweetened coffee treat? But those sugary syrups and whipped cream can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Switch to sugar-free options or try adding a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract for flavor. Regular milkshakes. Milkshakes may be delicious, but the high sugar and fat content can have a detrimental effect on your blood sugar levels. Consider making your own diabetic-friendly versions using unsweetened almond milk and sugar substitutes. Alcoholic beverages. Alcohol can be tricky for diabetics. It can lower your blood sugar initially but cause a spike later on. Plus, alcoholic beverages often contain added sugars and carbohydrates. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and opt for light beer, dry wines, or spirits mixed with sugar-free mixers. Sports drinks. While sports drinks are marketed as a source of hydration, they often contain high amounts of sugar. Unless you're engaged in intense physical activity, it's best to stick with water or electrolyte-infused water. Flavored waters. Flavored waters may seem like a healthy choice, but many of them are packed with added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Instead, infuse your water with fresh fruits, vegetables, or herbs for a burst of flavor without the added sugars. Sweetened iced tea. Iced tea can be a refreshing choice, but sweetened versions can be loaded with sugar. Opt for unsweetened or lightly sweetened options, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a sprig of mint for added flavor. Smoothies. While smoothies made with whole fruits and vegetables can be nutritious, they can also be high in natural sugars. Be mindful of portion sizes, and consider adding protein, healthy fats, or leafy greens to balance out the sugar content. And there you have it. 10 drinks to avoid if you have diabetes. Remember, everyone's diabetes management is unique, so it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-related content. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. See you in the next video.